Hi guys, Lens here. In this video we are going to fix the issue with your S23 Ultra. If you're having problems with your camera, you want to go directly to apps. Here, you want to scroll down, you want to go to the camera here. Then what you want to do here is that you want to go to storage. So let's go to storage here. Then you want to clear the data, and as you can see, everything is cleared. Then you go back. If it is a minor issue you had with your phone, you want to check your camera now. It should be working, and as you can see, everything is working perfectly and the camera is fixed. If you're having camera issues, your camera is not working for the S23 Ultra or S23, guys, you also want to perform a force restart. To do this, you hold the volume down, the power button together. So you want to keep holding those buttons together. When you see the Samsung logo, you release. Right, so when you see Samsung, you release. So definitely, if you're having camera issues with your phone, this is how you can fix your camera problems. If it happens that after this you're still having problems with your camera not working, then guys, what you want to do, you want to perform a factory reset. I can show you how to do that. You can go to settings here and you go to about phone, you scroll down and you will see reset there. You reset the phone, so you reset and you do a factory data reset here. Once you do this, the phone will reset and everything will be back to factory settings, and that should fix your camera. If this video was helpful, guys, let me know in the comment section. My name is Lens. If you're new to my channel, go right ahead, like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.